is put our weights right at our hips. We're going to squat back, bringing our chest to the ground, straighten up and lift those weights to the ceiling. And drop and lift. Drop and lift. Make sure that you bring your shoulders down as your hands come up. And you can do up to 30 repetitions of this move. The next one, you're going to bring your arms all the way into your sides, bent and lifted. Bring them in, and you're going to extend them straight above your head. Drop and extend. And again, you can do up to 30 of these repetitions. Good job. The next one we're going to do is we're going to rock the weight in front of us, almost like we're doing a little hook punch here. Swing it back and then bring it straight out in front of us. So 1, 2, notice my weight transfer, 3, straighten up, 4, and 5. Good job. And the last one, we're going to take both of our weights and put them in our right hand. We're going to reach at a diagonal to the ground. We're shifting our weight onto our left foot as we extend our right arm up to a high V. So dip and lift. Dip, lift. 4 and 5. Good job. That move you can do 20 of on each side. Great job.